Sabi ni Bato, alam mo si Bato na unahan ako sa yabang. Kaya bunot ko dyan. Ayan ang style ko eh. Sinunod taga niya, pati tuloy ako, hindi na makasalida. Limitado na ang papel ko. But you know, Bato has my support. He has been around. I was his ninong when he married many years ago. He was only a second lieutenant here. He earned his force here in Davao City and in Mindanao. And the guy, for all of his faults, is simply loyal to the Republic of the Philippines, not to me. As I've been saying to everybody, do not nurture loyalty to me. I do not need it. You nurture the love of the country, and then you are ready to die for it. Parang ganun.